Good morning everyone. We are back with a new GK chapters and now the name of this section is Games and Entertainment and your chapter number is 25 Shining Sports Stars. It's on page number 37. So as usual be ready with your GK books and note down whatever I am saying. So your question starts as identify the following world famous sports stars on the basis of given clues. Select your answer from the box given below. So the first one is IOC's greatest fighter of 20th century. Second point, World Sports Academy of the century. Third, first to win World Heavyweight Boxing crown 3 times. And the answer is C. Muhammad Ali. I hope you're clear with it. The answer is C. Muhammad Ali. Now moving to a second one, which is most Grand Slams won for India. Second, Olympic bronze medal, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award and Padma Shri holder. The answer is D. Lender Pays. So the third one is fastest women on the earth from Jamaica, part of gold medal winning team in 4 into 100 meter relay in 2015 World Championship. And the answer is B. Elena Thompson. Your fourth one is first ever batsman to score 400 not out runs in a test innings, most runs in 1 over in test, the fastest to score aggregate 10,000 runs in test cricket, and the answer is A. Brian Lara. So that's it. We have completed the chapter. Chapter 26, which is Rio 2016 records on page number 38. Consists of what? Games of 2016 Olympiad, commonly known as Rio 2016. It was a major international multi-sport event held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 2016 August. At this mega event, total 27 world records were set in sports. So then comes the list of 27 world records. You need to go through that list and then move to the next chapter, which is chapter 27, different dance form, on page number 40. So this chapter is all about different dance forms in different countries and their importance. So dance is one of the most beautiful forms of art and expression. Some of the various types of popular dances around the world are described below. So your first dance is break dance. Break dancing began in New York. Some of its movements came from martial arts such as Kung Fu and from gymnastics. Now second one is polka. It was originally from Czech peasant dance which gradually became popular in Paris and spread worldwide. It is fast-paced dance presented in various styles. Next one is Mohiniyattam. It has its origin in Kerala, India. A very graceful dance performed solo, mainly by women. It includes very rhythmic movements with elaborate mudras. So fourth one is flamenco. It is a form of Spanish folk music and dance. It includes singing, guitar playing, dance and hand claps. This beautiful style is also particularly noticeable due to gorgeous costumes. Our last one is ballet. It was originated in Italy and developed in France and Russia. It is highly technical form of dance that is performed by trained artists. Classical ballet is the most formal and common style of ballet. Now moving to the last chapter of this session, chapter 28, which is on page number 41. The name of the chapter is Famous First. And your question is, name the following first in sports. The first person to ski down Mount Everest is Yuichiro Miura. Second question, the first Indian to win World Billiards Trophy is Wilson Jones. Third, the first batsman to score 3 test century in 3 successive test match on debut is Mohammad Azharuddin. Fourth question, the first Indian woman to win a medal in World Athletics is Anju Bobby George. Fifth question, the first person from Africa to be appointed as the President of International Cricket Council is Percy Sun. Fifth question, the first person from Africa to be appointed as the President of International Cricket Council is Percy Sun. 6. The first Indian woman player to win a 4-star badminton tournament is Saina Nehwal. Your 7th question is the first Indian sportswoman to win a gold medal in World Cup archery? The answer is Pala Banerjee. 8th, the fastest man on earth is Usain Bolt. I repeat, it's Usain Bolt. 9th question, the highest test wicket taker in the cricket world is Murli Tharan. I repeat, the answer is Murli Tharan. 10th question, the first batsman of the world to score 400 runs in an innings in a test match is Brian Lara. I repeat, it's Brian Lara. Question 11, the first Indian woman to register a win in Wimbledon lawn tennis is Saina Mirza. Question 12, the first sportsman to clinch 8 gold medals in individual events at an Olympic is it's Michael Phelps. 13th, the first lawn tennis player to win the Wimbledon champion for 5 years consecutively is Bjorn Borg. 14th question, the first Indian Grandmaster in chess is Vishwanathan Anand. Now last question, the first Indian U20 World Cup champion in athletics is Hima Das. So that's it. We have completed with our games and entertainment section. With the completion of this session, we have also completed our first semester portion.